As you can see, it's 21 degrees as I start my car on this frosty morning. We're gonna do some ice fishing today. We're gonna go back to that same lake we were in the last video. I went there last night and I was just catching them. Man. Me and my dad were just, boop. Bunch of bluegill, crappie, sunfish. That's what we're going for today. The car was completely smashed in the front. How is it still driving? But yeah, so we're going back to that lake. I got some more gear. Last video, I kind of just wanted to show that you don't need much to ice fish. I'm obviously bringing a little more gear this time so I can stay warm longer. Yeah, so let's get going out there, see if we can catch something. Good thing I live 10 minutes away from this lake because I forgot my wax worms. It'll be okay. Patience. Patience. Alrighty, we're out here. I got my 2 holes drilled and we're gonna drop some line and see what we can do. And I really love these fishing poles because they're great for beginners, but also if you're just a normal fisherman and you want some panfish, you just set it up, drop the line down, and it's got basically a bobber on the end. And if that bobber starts to go down a little bit, you just crank her up. The good thing about this lake is it's about, where I'm at, it's like 5 feet. So I can literally just pull without having to reel in. I'll just pull the fish up and good to go. If you're wondering what I'm looking for, if you can see down in there, I got a crappie, a sunfish, and a bluegill. Roughly about the same size, so we're just trying to get a bunch of those. I want to cook up some panfish with some canola oil and some Cajun batter. So far 10 minutes, nothing yet. Other one's over there. I don't know why, but last night I had a dream that I caught like a giant creature. It had legs, it had 4 legs, and I don't know how I pulled it out of my tiny little ice hole. But I had a dream that I pulled him out, and I was so shocked that I looked at it, and he got up on all 4s and ran, and I guess my dog was with me. And then my dog chases him around the town. And some dude's like, he's over here, come get your dog. I'm like, what about the big creature, bro? But yeah, there's definitely some fish in here. This is like a river channel that connects to a dam that makes this lake. We got crappie, we got bluegill, we got perch, we got sunfish, smallmouth, largemouth bass. There's probably some other stuff in here. I love coming to this lake. There's no one ever here when I come here. I have the whole place to myself. And then all the way down there is where the river goes. Not safe to walk on. I'm glad you guys are enjoying this content because I really love ice fishing. But someone in my last video said a good point. Oh, I need to, gosh, 10 minutes and the ice freezes. Yeah, someone in my last video made a good point. It said, bring a spud out. If you don't know what a spud is, it's basically like a big metal stick. It's good for just re-breaking holes or testing the ice. Now, I've been ice fishing my whole life. I'm 25, so I'm usually good at predicting when ice is ready and when it's not ready. Like right now, it's 12 inches thick, so it's definitely ready. But you know, early on in the season, end of the season, you should probably bring that with you and test the ice just to make sure you don't want to fall in and have a bad situation. Alright, so as you can tell, I'm not on the ice right now. I sat out there for 2 hours and didn't get a single bite, which is insane. So I had to go get some food, cash my check, do some errands, whatnot. When my dad gets home tonight, I might go back out and actually try to get some footage of us catching fish. I just don't want this video to go to waste, so I'm going to go out later. I'm just letting you know that's probably why the time is going to be completely different. It's going to be probably darker in these next scenes. So bear with me. Yeah, let's hope we can get some fish.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah. Oh, wrong way, buddy. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Treading water. Down by the bottom.
Yeah. They're still hitting.
Fish,
Yep. I keep taking off the wrong glove. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
All the small ones. Oh, he has the worm in the mouth. Yep, he gets to go home with it. What are we at now? 6, and it's been 20 minutes?
Say what?
So we got 6 fish, it's been like 20 minutes? Not even? 10?
Yeah.
That's a good sign. They're messing with me. Still tiny one. Yeah, use this as bait. Tiny. Can't even get the hook out. Yeah. No, down. Go down. You're still floating up. There you go. Had a bite. Clean. Got it. So we did catch a bunch of fish, but they were a bunch of small fish, and I didn't get like a few of them on tape, but I mean, we still had a good night. It was fun, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.